Number 5, a colony of bacteria is currently at 35,000. Its population decreases by 1/3 for every dose of antibiotics. Write an equation for this relationship where X is the number of doses and Y is the size of the population of bacteria. So to create an equation, we need to use this formula here. So the A value is our starting value, okay? Our starting value is going to be 35,000. So I'm going to plug in 35,000 for A, okay? B, in this case, is going to be the decay factor. So its population decreases by 1/3. Now, even though it says it's decreasing by 1/3, that does not mean B is going to be 1/3. Okay? B is how much, if it's decreasing, is how much of its value does it keep. So if the colony loses 1/3 of its population, okay, if it loses 1/3 of its population, how much of its population does it keep? Well, if it loses 1/3, then that means it keeps 2/3. So 2/3 is what we're going to plug in for B. So when I make my equation here, y equals A times B to the power of X, the equation is going to be 35,000 times 2/3 to the power of X. So again, 35,000 is the initial value. And then if it's losing or decreasing by 1/3, that means it's keeping 2/3 of its value. In this case, 2/3 of its population. So this right here, what I circled, is the answer to number 5.